guys, it's your boy Falcon back again, and today I have a little bit of a different video. You guys noticed that I don't ever ask for donations or anything like that. All that I ask you is to subscribe and to share the channel if it was helpful to you. That really helps out a lot. So what I did do is I made a Amazon affiliate account. Basically all it is that if you're an Amazon shopper and you shop a lot on Amazon, if you go to Amazon through my link, I get a little bit of a kickback from anything that you buy in Amazon, and that helps me out a lot, and that helps out the channel. Better equipment, better tripods, better lighting. I've had some people complain about lightings and the way I hold the camera, this and that, or there's a lot of jump cuts sometimes on the videos, and the reason for that is because they have limited amount of space on the camera and the way I have to angle the camera, this and that. But if I have better equipment, it'll help out. But that's besides the point. If you want to help out the channel, all you got to do, use my Amazon affiliated link. From now and going forward, it's going to be on my description, and I'm going to pin it on the first comment on the comment section. That way you guys know where it's at. So I'm just letting you guys know basically why it's going to be there, and it's going to be on the description also. If you guys want to use it, go ahead. It helps out the channel. What I will be doing now from now forward is whenever I do a job, as far as the parts that I buy, I will try to find the same part or a similar part on Amazon, and I'm going to link it also on the description or on the first comment, and that's also going to be an affiliated link to help out the channel. If you wonder how you can help out the channel, that's the way. All you got to do, if you're already shopping Amazon, just use my link. That's it. Nothing extra to do. Just go ahead and grab that link, save it on your browser. That way you always use my link, and it helps out the channel. Alright guys, well, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.